Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So, when you saw your name in the list, how did you feel, ma'am?
First reaction was I shouted that I made it anta. But
Mhm.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ reaction relief ಇತ್ತು more than overwhelming. So ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ nothing much is sunk in, but I feel a lot of relief that I don't have to be in this cycle anymore.
Okay. So, ma'am, the choice of forestry, how
Yeah.
did it come, ma'am?
It was definitely not my first choice when I started with the civil service preparation. More so because I think there is very less awareness about forest service. I eventually got to know about forest service and the opportunities that this service also provides us. So this time I had exclusively applied for forest service. This is my first mains and first interview in the forest services.
So, exclusively preparing for forest service ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
Hmm.
it takes different approach and also you have ಅಂದ್ರೆ cut off prelims will cut off ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ and at the same time optionals papers change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how was it, ma'am?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮೈ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಶೋರ್ ಇದೆ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 75 to 80 that was the limit that I used to touch. So this time I attempted at up to 98 questions, and that is also one factor that helped me clear the forest cutoff. Coming to optionals, ma'am, ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಸ್ ಓದಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ದ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್. ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ an optional which is easier to complete and also which has more guidance and coaching materials are available. So in that sense, I choose forestry and geology. I think they both have rewarded me sufficiently.
Okay. With the failures in civil services,
Yeah.
how would you cope up with the failure, ma'am?
Yeah, so 2023 was the last time I gave my civil service interview. 24, I didn't clear prelims, and 25, I applied for forest, and here I am today. Ma'am, with every attempt and every failure, Allah, so coping up becomes very difficult actually. But a lot of motivation, andre external motivation idre ಎಲ್ಲೋ maybe sustain ಆಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. But internally, we need to know why we are in this journey. Also family support idre that also adds up to coming back or bouncing back, I believe.
That one advice that you would tell yourself
Yeah.
and that kept you motivated all the way.
See, I always knew that I want to contribute, and my temperament suits the services, public service. So I was working as a teaching faculty from the past 3 years. I could have joined IT because I'm an engineering graduate, but I knew somewhere that I could do it. I had this inner voice telling me that it just takes one small effort, extra effort. So that is something I'm happy that my younger self did not give up on me. So she's brought me till here today. So yeah.
Okay. So, ma'am, your approach towards forestry and the shift from civils to forestry.
Yeah.
ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ma'am?
Ma'am, approach andre forestry is very technical, but interesting, optional, and also easier. Syllabus kammi ide. Easily we can understand the syllabus. So approach bandre answer writing will sort changes agate. We need to draw a lot of diagrams. So in that sense, I think correct coaching materials and also a test series which tells you what needs to be added and what needs to be avoided. So that will help definitely.
So, ma'am, what is your success mantra?
Success mantra is, ma'am, patience and consistency. That's all. Only that can help us sail through in this journey.
Okay. How
Yeah.
was your interview experience, ma'am?
I had Anuradha ma'am's board, and interview was very cordial, ma'am. Very cordial, and they touched upon my graduation, my interest in. I actually teach history for UPSC students from past 3 years. So they somewhat connected history with artificial intelligence. So it was good actually. It was, I think, intellectual also, and very interactive with the board members. It was good, ma'am. I ended up getting 210 in the interview, I think, which is a pretty decent score for forest service. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am,
Thank
and
you
all
so
the
much.
best.
Thank you. Thank you.